Are you aware that big tech companies are harvesting your data and making billions out of it? It's an alarming reality. Every click, every search, every post, it's all being collected, analyzed, and monetized by tech giants. Behind the screens of our devices, a war over our personal data is raging. These companies don't need our consent to harvest our data. They're using sophisticated algorithms and advanced artificial intelligence to gather information about us. They're turning our internet habits into a profitable commodity. Our likes, dislikes, shopping habits, political views, even our location. It's all valuable data. And these tech giants are not just collecting it, they're selling it, making huge profits from our digital footprints. But what if there was a way to change this scenario and allow you to benefit from your own data? Introducing Grass, a new cryptocurrency that rewards you for your internet data. In this rapidly evolving digital world, Grass has emerged as a revolutionary solution that paves a new path in the arena of internet data harvesting. It operates in collaboration with the Wind Network, a platform designed to democratize the internet and its data. The Wind Network presents an opportunity for you to monetize your unused bandwidth. Instead of letting it go to waste or worse, letting big tech companies benefit from it, Wind allows you to sell this unused bandwidth for web scraping purposes. The return? You receive Grass tokens as a fair price for your contribution. This innovative approach transcends the boundaries set by tech giants like Microsoft. It disrupts their business model by enabling ordinary people to profit from the massive investments that AI companies are pouring into the data wars. Here's how it works. When AI developers need to scrape a website to train their AI, they turn to the Wind Network. The data they extract is no longer free, it comes with a price tag. The proceeds from this transaction are then shared with the users who created the data in the first place. Grass, in partnership with the Wind Network, ensures a fair distribution of the wealth generated from your unused internet data. It creates the first network that captures the profits from big tech companies' data sharing practices and redirects them to the rightful owners, you. What sets Grass apart from other proxy networks is its decentralized nature and transparent revenue sharing model. Unlike centralized proxy networks that pocket a portion of the proceeds, Grass guarantees that 100% of the earnings go directly to the data generators. In exchange for sharing your internet data through the Grass network, you receive Grass tokens. These tokens can be converted into cash or used in various other ways on the Wind network. Grass not only gives you control over your data, but also rewards you for it. It's a game changer in the world of data harvesting, giving you the power to take control of your data and earn a passive income from it. This is the promise of the Wind and Grass blockchain network, a new wave of data sharing and ownership. So, what's in it for you? How does Grass benefit you? Well, the advantages of Grass are manifold. The most significant benefit is the potential to earn a passive income from your data. Yes, you heard it right. Your unused data, which usually gets harvested by tech giants, can now be put to work for you. Grass tokens serve as a reward for sharing your unused internet data through the Grass network. These tokens essentially represent a share of the revenue generated from your data. And the best part, you're not just handing over your data for free. Instead, you're getting a fair share of the revenue generated from it. But it doesn't end there. The Grass tokens you earn can be exchanged in various ways for cash out on the Wind network. This means you can convert your data into tangible rewards, turning what was once a passive resource into an active income stream. Furthermore, Grass provides transparency and decentralization. Unlike centralized proxy networks, the Grass ecosystem is transparent in its revenue-sharing model. You can see where your data is going, how it's being used, and how much you're earning from it. In essence, Grass empowers you to take control of your data and turn it into an asset. It's a new way of looking at data ownership, one where you're not just a user, but a beneficiary. With Grass, you're not just a user, you're a beneficiary. The internet data wars are changing, and you can be part of this change. Grass, in partnership with the Wind network, represents a paradigm shift in data ownership. It's not just about protection, it's about empowerment, turning your data into an asset that pays. Remember, with Grass, you're not just a user, you're a stakeholder. Grass and Wind network are paving the way for a new era of data sharing and ownership. Are you ready to be part of it?